As a makeup beginner, I'm going to show you guys how to take your face from this to this after watching this video.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm teaching you guys how to achieve the flawless makeup look. Okay, you get that? In case you see me for the first time, my name is Pamela, Pam for short. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe and join the family. You have a good time. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. Thank you for your support. I don't take it for granted. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into the video. First, I'll be starting off with my skin prep. So I'll be using this water-based moisturizer just to get hydration on my face, right? If your skin is dry, way too dry, you can use a moisturizer that is way thicker. Okay. Then I'll be going in with this LA Girl primer. One thing I love about this primer is that it works for all skin type. Again, you apply your primer on your face apart from under your eyes. Okay? Now, take note of that. Please also bear in mind that you have to allow your primer and your moisturizer to dry down maybe a minute max, okay, before you move in next with your foundation. I'll be using this L'Oreal foundation. No need of mixing. This matches my skin tone, right? And it gives this what's it called, flawless skin matte finish look. Anyhow you want to put it, that's how this foundation works for me, and it's super duper blendable. So we're going to go in now to use our beauty blender, damped beauty blender, to apply our foundation generously. Did you see what I'm doing? I am not dragging, I am dabbing. Can you see that matte skin finish I'm talking about that it gives? Again, one secret about foundation is go in with little product so that you can blend properly. Do you get it? And when blending, mind you, I said don't drag, dab. Next, we're going to go in with concealer that is 2 shades lighter than our foundation. We'll apply it underneath the eyes. Here. Forehead. Oh! The bridge of the nose. And here our chin area. And we're going to go in with our beauty blender to blend it out. You are dabbing, don't rush it so that you can blend it out properly. So take your time to blend it gently and keep spreading it until it gets to where you want it to get. Then take it at the top of your eyes to make it more brighter, right? Can you see that? Then blend out the bridge of your nose, the forehead, because I want my under eye to be more bright. I'm going to go in with a bright concealer and just keep it here. I'm not going to spread it. I'm not going to maintain the placement, okay? Just to give me that right on the eye. Next, I'm going in with dense brush to place my bronzer around my forehead area. Mind you, this should be 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Yes. Also placing it at the top of my ear and blending it downwards. I'm going to place it at the outer corner of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and that's all. For my blush application, I always like to use my beauty blender and then place it on my cheekbone and then blend upwards to give me that snatch look, right? Now that we are done with the cream product, I'm going to go ahead now to use my setting spray to spray the face, okay? Allow it to dry. Now that our setting spray has dried down, we're going to go in with our setting powder to set the T-zone areas, right? Make sure you dust off excess and look up to look up to press in your setting powder gently. The essence is to make your under eye not to crease, and the next thing you need to do is make sure you spread the powder generously. Next up is press powder. In case you are confused, you're a beginner, you are confused, you don't know the actual shade to go for, please, your press powder should be your foundation shade, okay? Go around your face with it using a fluffy brush. Using an angle brush, we're going to go in with a powder that matches our bronzer, okay, to set that place properly. Next up is to use a translucent powder to further brighten the under eye. I'm using my beauty blender for this application. While we are waiting for my powder to settle in properly, I'm going to use a fluffy round brush to apply my powder blush. I'm going to use a bright powder for my eyelid. And I'm going to use my bronzer shade in my crease and outer corner. Next up is to define my waterline with a gel liner. Slightly. Next up is just to draw our eyeliner. Next up is apply your lash glue on your lashes and allow it to get tacky before you place it. While we are waiting for our eyelashes to get tacky, we are going to use our mascara to brush out our lashes. After that, kindly place your lashes carefully. Now that we are done fixing the lashes, we are going to use our fluffy brush to press in the setting powder carefully. Now we are going to set everything using our setting spray before we move in with our highlighter. I'll be using my beauty blender to pick my highlighter and I'll apply it on my cheekbone, tip of my nose, and then the bridge of my nose. Blend it properly. I don't want to see harsh lines. And basically, that is all for this makeup look. Can you see how flawless it's looking? Can you see that? So I hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to share, comment, and also subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.